What is your opinion of Trane versus York air conditioners? I do not know which manufacturer to buy my next AC from.
York just is not an option for some people. There are large sections of the country where there are no York-approved repair people or installer.
You do not have to have a company-approved repair person or installer to do the work.
It matters on a fair number of warranty repairs. It makes a difference if you want York to pay for the parts instead of blaming the local HVAC guy you hired.
How do they rate in terms of quality?
Bad, lousy, horrible and poor.
Anything else you want to add to that list of adjectives?
Nothing suitable for tender ears. For every person who gives a York a 5-star review, 4 or more give it 1 star while someone wishes they could give it 0 stars.
What is wrong with them?
York's website talks about how you can get their top-rated affinity air conditioners in 7 different colors. It mentions that the most sophisticated one has a C rating of 18.
C ratings of 18 are pretty efficient.
The most efficient ACs on the market, including some by Trane, approach 20 SEER. And you do not brag about color-coordinated appliances that sit hidden behind bushes unless you want to distract from the unit's reliability.
How does that compare to Trane?
Trane is more reliable, with about 1 in 8 ACs being repaired in a given year, near the industry average. And they get better ratings with about as many 5-star reviews as 1-star reviews.
That reminds me about the joke about restaurant reviews, that if it has a 5-star review, it is because only one person reviewed it.
The company is not all bad. York's heaters and furnaces get better reviews for performance, though service is just as bad.
I think I'll go with Trane.